Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. I hope you all are doing great. Let us read an amazing story today. Before that, I request you to subscribe the channel. The name of today's story is Pen and Pencil. Let us read it together. Once in a stationery store, there lived a pen and a pencil. The pen was sleek and sophisticated, while the pencil was humble and practical. The pen would often boast about its elegant design. The pencil quietly went about its work, diligently serving its purpose without any fuss. One day, a student entered the store looking for something to write with. The pen eagerly showed off its fine craftsmanship and impressive features. The pencil simply waited patiently nearby. However, the student ultimately chose the pencil. The pen was shocked and couldn't understand why. The wise eraser spoke up, saying, "My dear pen, beauty and sophistication are indeed admirable, but practicality often wins the day." The pen learned a valuable lesson that day. It realized that true worth is not just in outward appearance, but in how effectively one can serve a purpose. From then on, the pen and the pencil became good friends, understanding and appreciating each other's unique strengths. Moral of the story is true worth lies not just in outward appearance, but in how effectively one can serve a purpose. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.